2012 Volkswagen Jetta TDI turbo diesel, 77,000 miles on it. It is a 5-speed manual, a beautiful looking wagon with low miles, one owner since new. It runs great, all the factory recalls up to date. Very nice looking vehicle, clean body, tinted windows, roof rack, alloy wheels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, leather interior in a great shape, non-smoking, no warning lights on, 77,000 miles on it, Bluetooth, aux, automatic climate control, heated seats. It is a 5-speed manual transmission, nice clean headliner. It runs great, ice cold AC, clutch is in great shape. There's a back seat. You can find this 2012 Volkswagen Jetta TDI with 77,000 miles at Car City in Palatine. Alloy wheels. Here's an engine. 2012 Volkswagen Jetta TDI, 5-speed manual, one owner, low miles, a beautiful looking car.